air leak caused by a collision in June. CNN's John Holloman reports.
MIR Commander Anatoly Soloviev hard at work cutting away insulation from the Spectre module outside the MIR space station. After 6 hours outside, Soloviev and astronaut Mike Foale, who was taking pictures of the damage, believe they might have found the source of the leak which depressurized MIR back on June 25th. The spot where the broken solar panel connects to MIR.
There is some potential that could be one of the likely candidates that still hasn't been closed out.
It will take a closer look at Foale's pictures and more conversation with Soloviev to know for sure that the leak is here, where the damaged solar panel connects to the rest of MIR. And if this is the leak point, it's going to be very tough to fix.
Then you have to somehow manhandle that solar array and either jettison it or strap it down in some fashion. It's a large, ungainly piece of hardware with a lot of sharp edges.
There are two other possible places where the leak could be, which the cosmonaut and astronaut weren't able to get to. As the astronauts were preparing to go outside, we got pictures of the accident itself. These are pictures that were made on the 25th of June, and what you see on that TV monitor, which is located on the MIR space station, is a picture of the MIR space station seen by the Progress supply ship.
Right. It looks, excuse me, John, it looks like we're closing in on it, and at this point we shouldn't have any closing rate at all. We should be staying out there at some distance away from the station, and yet Progress is moving toward the station.
Right, that's the docking port way down there, and we ought to be looking at that docking port if this were a normal docking one. Is that correct?
That's right.
There's the first hit, and you see the then MIR commander getting jostled, and there's another hit as the TV monitor itself was jerked around. So that's what caused this problem. Even though a spacewalk is serious business, Commander Soloviev had time to celebrate the 850th birthday of Moscow with a huge birthday card from space. The next MIR spacewalk scheduled after the shuttle arrives, and that's going to happen at the end of this month. John Holloman, CNN, Atlanta.
Back on Earth, Hurricane Erica is churning at sea.